In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to get your Facebook QR code. A Facebook QR code is a convenient tool for connecting people directly to a specific Facebook page, profile, or post by simply scanning it with a smartphone. To get your Facebook QR code, simply head to Facebook. On your profile page, head to the search bar. Search for QR code. You will see this very first option of QR code. Now head to it. You will see the code scanner and the option of QR code. To see your own profile QR code, simply head right here. Now this is your Facebook QR code. You can basically share it to your timeline or simply save to your phone photos. And by the way, you can also screenshot it as well. By placing your QR code on marketing materials like posters, business cards, or even product packaging, it literally increases engagement. That's how easy it is to get your Facebook QR code. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.